Hi there. So I've reviewed a couple of audio accessories on this channel, and this is one of them that is a bit interesting and I think you'll like it. So I had the chance to use these earbuds for 4 days, and this is my review about it. These are the True Wireless headsets F9. So we start off with the unboxing, and I'm not going to lie, this was a big box for earbuds, and you'll see why in a minute. So once you open the box, you'll find the earbuds and its case in this plastic case. And this case is really massive and it's a bit heavy, but we'll get to that in a minute. And as you can see, it's written Quen, which is one of the names of these earbuds. The case is a bit heavy and bulky, as you can see. I had concerns of how these will fit in my pocket, but I'll get into that. Then next up is the earbuds, which look nice in that black color. They are bigger than I expected, and they have the silicone ear tips. The touch sensors are also labeled and occupy a wide area. Also, in this case, you'll get a USB Type-B for charging it. But just like the similar TWS i16 earpods I reviewed, the cables they come with are really short, which I don't understand, but either way it does the job. And I also didn't expect this, but they also give you extra 4 silicone tips to replace. Which is always quite nice. So I went ahead and tried them on, and as much as I thought they were big, they fit my ear, which was surprising. They look good when you wear them, and they have a fairly natural look. One of my personal favorite things is that when I remove my hoodie, they were able to stick in my ear and they didn't fall off, and that's something I liked about it. I also like the ease of access of the touch sensor for when you want to pause the play. Even if you have your hoodie on or anything, you can just easily reach it because the touch sensor is big and it's also easy to access. And the touch sensors also has the same functions as most earbuds. You tap once to pause a song, you double tap the right one to go to the next song, you double tap the left one to go to the previous song, and the rest, because they are all pretty much the same. Still on the design and feel, they also feel comfortable if you are lying on one side of the head with them on. And a good thing is that the touch sensors won't be triggered because you're lying on them. And I experienced this with the i16 the TWS earpods because when I lie on one side, the touch sensors will be activated, and most of the time it will either pause the song or activate Siri. I like this about them because even if you're laying on that side, they won't be activated. And also I gave it a quick head shake, and if you're running, they won't fall off. But you have to note that they don't have the premium features such as water resistance and stuff. And also, if you're enjoying this video, I will appreciate if you leave a like on the video and subscribe and turn on post notifications so that you're up to date when I upload the next video. So let's talk about the sound quality on these. I must admit that these sound good, but if you are shifting from a premium earbud to these, you will notice a difference. In my opinion, the i16 I reviewed a while ago sound better in my opinion, and mostly this because of the bass. These earbuds lack that extra bass that you need from them that you will find in other earpods, and that's something I didn't like. But one of the reasons they are big is because they have big speakers. They are really loud, and when I say they are loud, they're actually really loud. I'll share a screenshot with you with the maximum volume that I used to listen. And when I went past that, I just couldn't be comfortable because it was actually really loud. Something good about it is that you won't complain of lack of enough volume because it's actually really loud. And they also lack features such as spatial audio and active noise cancellation. But something to note about these cheap earbuds is that the spatial audio is not really great, especially if it's a wireless earpod or earbud. The spatial audio isn't great, so I bet I'm thinking that they missed out on these features because they think it won't be perfect. That's just my opinion. But if you're getting these cheaper earpods and earbuds, in my opinion, the wired ones usually have better spatial audio than the wireless one. They have an impressive battery life for 6 hours, and you can always recharge them on the case. And so let's talk about this case. And they have this satisfying feel when you attach them back to the case. It has that magnetic click that is so satisfying, yeah, and that's something cool about it. So talking about this case, as we have seen, it is really big. They also have a feature that most cases do not have, and this is a small LED screen that shows the battery percentage of the case but not the earbuds. I took a test and they took 1 hour and 7 minutes to charge from 50 to 100%, so it will take pretty much around 2.5 hours for you to get a full charge on them. And also, as you can see, this case has a type A and type B port because it can be used to charge another device. As you can see here, you can charge a phone with it, but you cannot do this simultaneously while they're in your pockets because it is big and most of the time they will not fit in your pocket. So you'll rather have them on a desk charging. But in general, I like them because of their battery life. Sound quality is not that bad, just the lack of that extra bass which I usually like is not quite there. And also I don't like the size of the case because it's really big, and when you're walking it will be noticeable that you're carrying a big case. So this will be ideal if you have them in a hoodie pocket, or maybe just in a bag. But something to note about them is that they cost 800 shillings, which is around $8. For the price, it's just good if you are a fan of earbuds. So if you are okay with all that I've mentioned, it's okay for you to buy them at such a cheap price. But if you don't like some of the features that I've talked about, it's not worth it to buy. So if you want to watch a review of the TWS 16 earpods that I'll be talking about, click on the video on the screen. My name is Ian Duncan. I do app tutorials and tech reviews, and I'll see you guys in a bit. I'm out. Peace.